Hi all, welcome to my channel Green World Investor. Today we are going to talk about why investing in gold makes sense in 2023. But before pondering on the idea, let us take a look at some of the hard facts of gold in the recent past. Number 1. Gold returns have outperformed the stocks in the second half of 2022. Number 2. Gold returns in the last 20 years have been around 12.4% CAGR, a return similar to Nifty 50. Number 3. Gold has a unique store of value and is accepted as money across many countries and has a very long history. Number 4. Gold prices have shot up recently as central banks have stepped up buying, particularly China. Number 5. Also, gold does well in times of global high inflation. It gave multi-bagger returns in 1970s when the world witnessed high inflation, a situation which is currently repeating. So, these were some of the hard facts about gold in the recent past. Now let us delve into the idea why gold investment makes sense for your portfolio in 2023. So gold is not only a good inflation hedge, but it also acts as a sound safe haven asset and provides the much needed cushion to investors in times of market volatility as well as distressing financial conditions. Now, as we know that after USA and the other Western countries confiscating the Russian central reserves of USD and euros, many other countries like China and even Russia now want to diversify their assets and move in towards gold as well as other hard assets. The reason is clear. They fear that in case of any conflict with the West in future, their central reserves might also get confiscated. Also, gold is a good investment because its price is not correlated with that of equity or debt. Stock prices can be volatile over the short term, but gold retains its value. That is, you will be able to preserve your purchasing power with gold. Now, prices of gold may vary and can vary, but the yellow metal has always recovered from its setbacks eventually. Gold has proven its durability and value. People were calling Bitcoin as the next gold because of its fixed supply. But the Bitcoin bubble has burst with the Bitcoins now trading around 18,000 USD from $60,000 earlier. Well, I'm sure many of you must have pondered upon the question of gold or Bitcoin, which is a better investment option. Well, the answer is now clear. The Bitcoin bubble has shown that gold has its value and that gold is forever. So this has shown the importance of having gold in your investment portfolio. Gold is touching all-time high of rupees 55,000 to 56,000 per gram, or in USD $1,880 per ounce, which in rupee term is below 10% of its all-time high price. Now, when the economy looks shaky, people look at protecting their assets, and gold has been a steady way to do so. Inflation can wipe out a significant portion of your savings and investments. With a rising inflation and growing geopolitical tensions, gold is expected to do well in 2023. It may cross USD all-time high and may touch $3,000 mark. Well, gold should occupy an important place in one's portfolio because it provides insurance from erratic equity market and rupee depreciation. It acts more like a good asset diversifier in one's portfolio. In the current scenario of rising interest rate and rupee increasing trade deficit, the value of rupee continues to fall against the US dollar. Having 10 to 20% of gold in one's portfolio is good, but in the current scenario, even 30% is permissible. Having some portion of silver in this 30% allocation is also good. Now, one of the great things about investing in gold is the different avenues available. In the next video, I will talk to you about how you should invest in golds and through which instruments so that you can pick the best way to invest in gold in 2023. Hope this video was relevant to you in the current times. Please like the video if you found it useful. You can also visit my website www.greenworldinvestor.com for more such articles. Thank you and have a nice day.